Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Mahatransco. Yes, Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited. When you will go to the official website of Mahatransco, here at the career section you can see there is one update advertisement for the post of assistant engineer. When you will click here, the detailed advertisement will be open for the post transmission and telecommunication. Let's have a look to the detail. So assistant engineer transmission and telecommunication. So here we can see they are going to recruit in assistant engineer. Number of vacancies are 419. In assistant engineer telecommunication, number of vacancies are 9. This is for the transmission. Okay, this is the first thing. When I am talking about the next thing here, you can see, okay, all right, the cutoff date for deciding the eligibility in respect of age, qualification and experience will be 31st July 2024. Here, yes, we will go to surely the detailed advertisement, the pay scale. So selected candidates will draw salary in the pay scale of 49210 to 165 and so on. It is mentioned here. In addition to basic pay, the selected candidates will surely they will achieve the DA, HRA, medical benefits, CPF, gratuity and so on. Okay, so here you can see the present approximately monthly gross emoluments will be 84,407 rupees, dear students, including all the benefits here. Okay, without office accommodation. Alright, the next is qualification. What is requirement for assistant engineer transmission? The student should have BE BTech in electrical engineering or technology, and for assistant engineer telecommunication, student should have BE BTech in electronics and telecommunication. Okay, or electronics and telecommunication. Yeah, it's mentioned clearly. Okay, and the next thing is here. Okay, here age limit here it's mentioned. The upper age limit for outside candidate is 38 years for the open candidates. Okay, for the open, yeah, outsider candidates is 38 years for open candidates. So upper age limit for the reserve categories is up to 43 years is also mentioned. So you can see the rules are mentioned for the age limit also. Now, the one very important thing is here कि the candidate applying for the post should be a domicile of Maharashtra. So, if you are a domicile of Maharashtra, then only you can apply here. So, this is very important thing. Okay. Okay, so caste certificate will be also valid for the domicile of Maharashtra only. The next thing, when I will go to this one here. Okay. So it's mentioned, it's showing you the reservation criteria. Okay, and if I will talk about the selection process, so it's clearly mentioned the selection process shall comprise of written test, online test only. So it's not direct recruitment, basis on written test which will be online they will recruit. So all the candidates who register successfully will be called for online test without verifying their eligibility. Okay, candidates should ensure that they fulfill all the eligibility criteria before applying. That is very important thing. It's mentioned at least 2-3 times in this complete PDF that please check whether you are eligible here or not. Okay, the verification for their certificate or documents eligibility shall be done before issuing appointment only. So first they will call you for the online test. Okay, if you will clear this one, then they will shortlist you for the document verification. This is the process which we can understand from here. So the written test, online test will be objective type and test structure shall be like this. So test of professional knowledge, first paper. Okay, number of questions 50, marks will be 110. Test of general aptitude including reasoning, quant and Marathi language. Test of Marathi language. That's why here it's clearly mentioned you should be a native. Your native place should be in the Maharashtra only. This is clearly mentioned here. Okay, and the marks, number of questions and marks is also mentioned. Composite time total will be 120 minutes. Number of question I can say overall 130. Number of marks, okay, marks will be 150 here. Okay, yeah, there will be penalty for the wrong answer, so there is a negative marking also. It's clearly mentioned here. Okay, so this is about the process also. Woman reservation is also there, so you can just use this one also. Center for online written test is mentioned clearly. All centers are in Maharashtra only. Okay, I think this is the important detail. Yeah, application fees we are having for assistant engineer transmission 700 rupees for the open categories. For reserve caste it is 350 rupees. Okay, same for both, 700 for open and for reserve it is 350 rupees. Okay, so I think this is the only important thing for online written test. Okay, so this is a long PDF for female candidates also. Clearly mention the rules, important dates. Yeah, so the exam will be there in month of the August or September 2024. This is also mentioned. The general condition, I think these are the general condition. Again here it's clearly mentioned what is the important thing. Candidate must be a domicile of Maharashtra. This is clearly mentioned here. Okay, so I think this already we cover, and here they mention what is the important requirement, how you need to upload the photographs and everything. It is mentioned, it's showing you that how you need to show your photographs. Okay, using the service. So I think all the important things we cover. If it is mentioned about the dates, so I want to check, otherwise okay, this the form is also there which you need to just fill, okay, in the attachment. All right, so yeah, so I think we cover all the important things here. So please dear students, you can just check again the eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible here or not, and then accordingly you can fill the form, you can apply for this post. Thank you.